लाइक दिस इज द एज, ये आपका दिस इज द कॉर्नर ओवर हेयर. अगर हम देखें व्हाट वी सेड कि हर एक कॉर्नर पे देयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स, इजंट इट? अब अगर इफ आई एम गोइंग टू कंसिडर दिस पर्टिकुलर साइड ओनली, दिस पर्टिकुलर एज ओनली, तो ये वाला जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल है इट इज गोइंग टू शेयर्ड, इसका जो फेस है वो यहाँ पे जो प्रेजेंट है इट इज शेयर्ड ओवर दिस साइड ऑल्सो, ओवर दिस साइड ऑल्सो, over this side also. Similarly ये थ्री डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर है तो बैक साइड ऑल्सो. ये बात समझ में आ रही है what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. जैसे over here, यहाँ पे अगर तुम देखो in this picture, in on the screen, over here if you are going to look, if you consider this particular constituent particle only, तो ये यहाँ पे भी शेयर हो रहा है, यहाँ पे भी इट इज शेयरिंग, ओवर हेयर इज ऑल्सो शेयरिंग, और इसके जो पीछे वाले हैं वहां पे भी शेयर हो रहा है. इट मीन्स कि अगर मैं इस क्यूब की बात, इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल की बात करूं, तो एक फेस पे एट अ पर्टिकुलर साइड ओनली उसका 1/8 पार्ट जो है ओनली दैट पार्ट इज गोइंग टू बी शेयर्ड, 1/8 part is going to be present. Is that point is clear कि 1/8 कैसे आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
देखो, I am repeating also, and camera में भी I am showing at the same time on the screen also I am showing the same diagram. मैंने ये कहा कि this particular if you look, ये वाला constituent particle if I consider, ये ऊपर वाला, अब ये जो ऊपर वाला कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल है इफ यू आर लुकिंग अ थ्री डायमेंशनल स्ट्रक्चर, तो ये यहाँ लाइक हमें तीन साइड्स तो हमें दिख ही रही है, ओवर हेयर, हेयर, दिस साइड, यहाँ सब जगह शेयर हो रहा है. अब अगर मैं बात करूं दैट प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल, इस वाले कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल की, तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन कि आफ्टर शेयरिंग 8 साइड्स पे अगर ये शेयर होगा तो 1/8 पार्ट इज ओनली प्रेजेंट ओवर हेयर. एक्चुअल में अगर हम देखें तो 1/8 पार्ट ही इस फेस पे प्रेजेंट होगा. इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. तो उस हिसाब से इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट फॉर द प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल, क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल, तो उसके कितने एटम्स हो गए? प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल 1/8 हो गए. और अगर आप एक पूरा क्यूब कंसिडर करो तो हाउ मेनी कॉर्नर्स आर देयर? 8 कॉर्नर्स आर देयर. तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 8. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू कट इट, so what will come over here? 1 will come. It means that if you are going to talk about the primitive unit cell, then there is the presence of one constituent particle. Only one constituent particle is present in that case. Is that clear to all of you? Total number of constituent particles therefore present is equal to 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ab
ma'am.
second structure. Second, we are having the BCC type, that is your body centered cubic unit cell. अब body centered में भी what we did, body centered का मतलब क्या था? That they are present at each and every corner, each and every corner, plus there is a one atom which is present at the center, यहाँ पे inside the body. तो according to that what is going to happen, 8 corners multiply by 1/8 per corner atom. So this will come 1 only, and 1 is present at the body BCC. So which is equal to the 1. Therefore, the total number of constituent particles present is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to the 2 in the case of the BCC. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अब देखो इसमें the question, how we can get the question, like the question can come like this. And crystal consists of a crystal consists of A and B. A is present at corner and B at body. Then what is the type of the crystal? अब 2 है तो क्या हो जाएगा? Your one stands for the A and another one stands for the B. Therefore, it will be a AB type and BCC cubic unit cell. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
The third comes your FCC type. That is your face centered cubic unit cell. A face centered cubic unit cell की case में what is there? That you are having a normal crystal जो primitive के अंदर present है. It means that ये वाली condition is applicable over here. One has come. And then it is saying face centered. अब face centered को समझना what is happening to the faces. If you are looking this face का मतलब again look your room where you are sitting. How many walls you are having? Including the your ceiling and floor. कितनी
6.
walls? 6 हो गई. अब इन 6 के बीचों बीच आपके एक एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल है. अब देखो जस्ट लुक जिस रूम में आप लोग बैठे हो उस रूम की वॉल जो है इट इज बीइंग शेयर्ड टू द वॉल ऑफ द अनदर रूम आल्सो. Isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में
Yes,
आ रही है
ma'am.
बात? जैसे अगर मैं इस वाले को कंसिडर करूं, दिस वन इफ आई कंसिडर, ये मेरा से सपोज ये रूफ टॉप हो गया, ये सीलिंग हो गई, तो सीलिंग का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल है हाफ इट इज इनसाइड द रूम एंड हाफ ये ऊपर जा रहा है, छत पे जा रहा है. Isn't it? It means कि your constituent particle, if we look कि actually how much it is present inside the room, आधा ही present है. Yes. समझ में आई ये बात?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो like look in my camera, ये वाली जो वॉल है मेरी, इस वॉल पे से सपोज ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल इज प्रेजेंट ओवर हेयर. अब ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल जो है इट इज बीइंग द हाफ पोर्शन जो इस पार्टिकल की बैक साइड है, इट इज बीइंग शेयर्ड टू द अनदर रूम आल्सो. तो एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हाउ मच पार्ट इज प्रेजेंट ऑफ दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल, ये ऐसे है, तो हाउ मच इज प्रेजेंट ओवर हेयर?
Half.
Half. So what will be the calculation then? 6 multiplied by half, which is equal to the 3.
3.
Therefore, the total number of constituent particles present is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to the 4. Got this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अब देखो यहाँ पे भी how the question we can expect. If A is present at the corners and B at faces, write the formula. What will be the formula then? A is at the
AB4.
AB4. Yes, AB3. AB3 ऐसे हुआ हर्षित that A is correct for you. A multiply by 1 and B at the faces means B you have to multiply by the 3. Therefore, it will be AB3. Got it? This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
इतना no doubt is over here. Only ये 2-3 girls की आवाज आ रही है. Boys what are doing? Sleeping? Now, the fourth type, this fourth type, it is not mentioned in our book, NCERT book. So please mention it. That is your end-centered cubic unit cell. Now, in this particular case, if you look, so what is the system over here? Now, in the case of the end-centered, what was the system?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल में तो एंड सेंटर्ड होता ही नहीं है ना.
It is only end-centered unit cell. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Now over here, look. 8 corners will be this only. यही हो जाएंगे. Okay. Now what is going to happen? End centered का मतलब क्या था कि opposite sides, any of the opposite sides, there will be the one more present. So one over here, one over here. So what will be the system? 1 by 8 multiply by 8, 1. Or actual में how much it is present? Half. So half multiply by 2, which is equal to the 1. So the total constituent particles present in the end centered will be 2. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Up the next topic in this we have closed packed structure. Now when we talk about the closed packed structure, इसमें what is there that we particularly we say कि whatever the constituent particles they are present in the 3-dimensional structure. Now according to that 3-dimensional structure, we say that it can be divided into the 3 parts. 3 parts कैसे कि one part will be your close packing in 1-dimensional structure. Second, close packing in two-dimensional structure, and third one will be close packing in the three-dimensional structure. Now, if you are going to look the first one, that is your close packing in 1D structure. One dimensional structure के अंदर what is going to happen? The arrangement of the spheres will be in a one dimensional closed packed structure only. Means they are going to arranged in a row and each particle is going to touching each other. Okay. अब यहाँ पे in this particular arrangement, say suppose that we are going to consider this sphere. मैं इस sphere को I am going to consider. तो this particular sphere is attached to, or you can say touching to, how many further structures? How many further spheres?
Two.
One is this, another is this. ये दो तरफ से it is touching to these structures. Now we say that number of is number of spheres touching the central sphere in a closed packed arrangement. The number of spheres touching the central sphere in a closed packed arrangement. अब एक ये टच कर रहा है, एक ये टच कर रहा है. This total number of spheres is termed as a coordination number. Okay. अब according to this one dimensional में, if you are going to calculate the coordination number for this particular sphere, then what will be the coordination number?
2.
2. Why? Because if you are, when we are considering this particular sphere, two spheres are the they are the touching to this arrangement. Okay. Now if we look the two-dimensional structure, in the case of the two-dimensional structure, what is there? That we can have the square close packing. Means जो rows का arrangement होगा, that can be what? Square close packing. Square close packing का मतलब क्या हो गया? That they are going to come in the type AA type. AA type का मतलब क्या हो गया? That this is your one row. Another row will come exactly below the first row. Whatever the rows are being formed, they are going to come exactly below the each row. Now say suppose in this particular we consider this sphere. Okay. अब हम ये वाला sphere जो है, we are going to consider this. Now according to this, what is going to happen? 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be its two-dimensional structure. So if we want to calculate the over here coordination number, so how many spheres are touching to this central spheres?
4.
4. Okay. Now in the two-dimensional structure, another definition comes with us, that is your percentage of packing efficiency. Now, in this particular case, what we have observed? We have observed कि whatever the rows are being formed, all the rows are forming just below to one another. एक दूसरे के नीचे नीचे आ रही हैं. That's why we are saying that it is a square close packing. Now, what is happening? Voids are also present. ये वाले जो आ गए खाली spaces, voids are also coming over here. Therefore, we say that this particular type of packing is not a good packing. Up when it is not a good packing, therefore we require to check for the packing efficiency, or you can say the percentage of the packing efficiency. So the definition for the percentage of packing efficiency is percentage of total space occupied by constituent particles in a closed packed structure. Another point, greater the packing efficiency, more packed structure will be. Now, in the case of two-dimensional square close packing, your percentage of packing efficiency is equal to 52.4%. ये whatever the points I'm writing, you all require to write because they are not written as it is in the our book. Done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Now, in the two-dimensional only, two-dimensional में ही to improve the packing efficiency, we are having the hexagonal close packing. Now, when we are talking about the hexagonal close packing in the two-dimensional structure, it is AB type. AB type, why it is so? Because Like we are having the one row. Up over here, what is our practice? That we want to make the structure more close packed. Therefore, the second row which we are going to make, जो first वाली row के the two particles are there, in between to them we are going to make. Now the third row which is going to come, it will become the A row. Means that if you are going to observe, this will be coming in parallel to this. Therefore, it is also A, it is also A. Now coming to the B. Like this. So if you observe, this is same. So it is called as a AB type. Now let's consider over here. Say suppose यहाँ पे we look this particular sphere. We consider this particular sphere. So to how many it is being attached over here?
6.
6 in the form of a hexagon. So this particular we say that if you are going to look the coordination number for two-dimensional hexagonal close packing, then it will be 6. If you are going to look the percentage of the packing efficiency, then it is going to be 60.4%. Means it is more than the two-dimensional square packing structure. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the another type that comes in the three-dimensional structure. Now, when we are going to consider a three-dimensional structure, we say that in the case of the three-dimensional structure, it is being arised from the two-dimensional structure only. Now, over there, again, we are going to have the 3D square packing structure. Now looking the 3D square packing structure, like this over here. What is here? That here all are the everywhere we are having the in such a manner. Like this constituent particles only. Okay. Up in this also, what we are going to do, we are going to look, say suppose this much structure. Now, if you are going to look, the same thing is going to happen. जो हम लोगों ने फॉर द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ एटम्स में we did that one particular constituent particle is being shared to the 8 other atoms. Therefore, in this case, we say the coordination number is comes out to be 8. कि एक constituent particle is shared to the, or you can say is touching to the 8 other corners. Therefore, its coordination number will be 8 and it is going to be the AA type simple cubic structure. यहाँ तक is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, your work is what? Just to read up to where